Hey guys, I was about to film here, but then I'm actually losing light, so I was thinking to film there instead. Very spontaneously, randomly doing this. So yeah, let's do it. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually sharing a flip through of this is a piece of my leaf that is actually here right now. So I'm actually sharing just a simple flip through of a trash junk journal. This is actually from a local brand from my country, Anatomy, and it's actually a binder planner. I kind of bought this like impulse purchase this without knowing what to do with it, and then after that I decided to make use of it with all the collectible. They're not collectible, these are just trash where people usually just trash them away, but I'm actually collecting it and I kind of like the design, which is why, you know, when you actually collect too many things, and I was thinking why not, I'll just paste it in my journal randomly and we'll see how it goes. So this is, well, you know, everyone knows what is this. This is the post-it note from the packaging that I didn't want to throw away, and yeah, I kind of like pasted with a double sticky tape, and then it just became like that. I don't know, I kind of, because as this cover was kind of basic, I was thinking like I should make something that pops, and then yeah, and then I made this, and oh, everything just fell off. So yeah, these are the things that I didn't want to throw away, and then I'll just paste it here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, and this is the packaging when I got this planner, Anatomy. They actually sent this and then I didn't want to throw it away, and I really like the message that they actually gave in the box. It says, "We bring this to life, but you are the guardian of the book," which is kind of nice. And I just kind of like randomly put it here like that, and oh, I have more stuff here. They even have this little pocket here where you can actually put more stuff, and more stuff here as well. That's a business card here. Yeah, it's from a map, a little map from them. Can you hear that? There's a siren going on. But yeah, this is just a food sticker, and this is a tear out magazine that I got. So this is what the thing that I do. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just like kind of like experimenting it, and I will go through all the way to here. Yeah, this is, they're all packaging. Like this is the FEDEX that I cut out from the parcel, and I was actually moving when I was doing this, moving house to house, and I kind of got a lot of IKEA packaging, and this is actually a parking ticket. I mean, like a parking voucher from our country, and I think it's kind of nice because they had a lot of number. These are just trash, but I could have, you know, like I know it's just trash, but then I was actually enjoying it while pasting all this down instead of trashing it. And even these are just random tapes that I got, like packaging cut out from the magazines, food packaging, and this is actually it's just a box, you know, and oh, it falls out. So yeah, I like the alphabet here. I don't know, it's just kind of like trash that I really keep. I even punch a hole here to create that, I don't know, like the special effect, and then I paste a sticker here. And this is the IKEA, you know, when you when you are buying this. Oh god, I'm so tired. I'm actually squatting here. This is the IKEA trolley. You know, when you buy it, you have this leaflet everywhere, and then I was thinking I should color it, but then I did not color it. And this is just a cutout from the magazine. If you have no idea with all the trash that you have collected, like this is a used bank envelope that I kind of recycle. And even this, I have no idea what is this, but I just like, instead of trashing that plastic. And this is the McDonald food packaging, and this is from the IKEA. More biscuit packaging, more, I don't know, they're just trash to treasure, you know. This is my food that I had that week. Coffee packaging. Oh yeah, this is Muji that I actually ordered some furniture, and they actually sent, when they sent in, they had this delivery note where I kind of like tear it out and reuse it in here, because I don't really get this often. And yeah, more food like Muji. God, I really like cutouts. I was just really just testing out everything and not sure what I'm actually doing. Like this, again, it's an envelope, recycled envelope that I reused here, and I kind of like paste a sticker here and punch a hole, adding some, ooh, it's actually nicer here, adding a string here, and then paste a, what do you call this? I don't know what do you call this. And this is my business class, economy class flight ticket, some random sticker. Yeah, I thought like it could be nice. Oh, this is the packaging from Anatomy, where I kind of like, I was trying to be creative, reusing all this, even the paper bag packaging. And I really like the quote that they actually use in their packaging. It's weird not to be weird. And I wrote here a message, just be yourself. Even this is from Anatomy as well, which I find it very nice. So to actually enhance the whole page, I add in a bright polka dot sticker here. And this is the facial mask that I use, that I got from Japan, that I really like. And it's from the box where I purchased, and I think you know what is this. This is a cereal box. And I kind of reuse it, and yeah, even this, all these are just trash, like, oh god. And more labels, stickers, random pattern stickers. Even these, I even pasted a Amazon tracking, you know, like the delivery courier tracking sticker that removed from the envelope or packaging. I even had this. And yeah, this is the chicken. I think you guys know what it is. It's a chicken McNuggets packaging. You know, but when I always use like packaging with food in there, I have to make sure that it is clean, because you don't want the ants or anything that lurking around in your planner. Yeah, more sticker and random stuff, but they really make me feel very happy when I'm actually looking at this right now. Even this is actually a napkin from a Japanese brand called Classici. So this is really nice. And sticker. Oh god, this is so nice. I was trying to collage, but it always ends up differently. I don't know, I always get inspired looking at videos on Instagram. Oh, I really love this. I really love this, because this is the actual FedEx packaging that I cut out when I got a parcel from them. And yeah, I kind of like paste it here, and even this lady, I mean, this is actually a whole packaging, magazine cutout, and I really like this. It's kind of create like an arrow, but then it's not. It's just, it looks like an arrow here, but then yeah, it's not, but it's cool. I think it's very cool. So to make it more stand out, I kind of add like a different material texture layer over here so that you actually pop, makes the whole page pop. And yeah, I really like this. This is my favorite page. And this, I know this is gonna look really weird because this is actually the you know, the face mask that we use, and I didn't want to change it. I mean, I didn't want to trash it, so this is how it looks like. This is really cool. It kind of looked like, you know, a toilet bowl, but then it's cute. So yeah, I just kind of like, can you see that, what's inside? So I just, as this is plastic, so I just put it down with a stapler, and then I'll put in like a different cutout magazine in here, so it looks, creates this effect. Yeah, I think it's quite funny because no one, I mean, like, I show some friend and they think this is like, wow, it looks like a toilet bowl, but then but it's, I think it's fun. It's fun. And oh yeah, and this actually a like a pocket envelope, and then I kind of put in our local stamp here from Malaysia. So this is the COVID mask. So yeah, I like this. Recycle. Everything can be recyclable. If you didn't want to throw it, just randomly paste in your bowl. Some of you actually told me like they can't do it perfectly, as perfect as like mine, but no, I don't think mine's perfect, but then I do accept the unperfectness. I mean, I accept the way it is, and I've acknowledged like this is just a process. So, but then I think that people will get better if you do it more like with practice. Yeah, you definitely be better and better. So I think this is like a new stage, like what I'm actually trying. And yeah, I think this all of a sudden, like behind it has a bit of art journaling process in it, because like this, I didn't know what to do anymore, because it's just a cutout man with a sticky note behind as a background to stand out his face. And then I kind of add in a postcard marker pen highlighted in bright neon orange, and then yeah, just randomly make it, and then it became like a scrapbook. And this is just, you know, food packaging again. It's just mackerel fish packaging, which I think, yeah, it's unique. More, you know, slowly I didn't put that much anymore. And I just want to play with collaging and reusing all the cutout from the magazine. Oh, this is my favorite as well, that I really like. So have you watched this movie Her? Because I watched it many years ago, and then I really love it. And I had this poster on my wall for quite some time. And when I moved, moving house to the new house, I decided not to reuse this poster again. But then I didn't want to throw it away, and I thought like might as well just reuse the poster in this planner. So even this, it was actually the whole thing, the whole poster is red, but then I wanted him to stand out, so I kind of used a white marker to color it off, and it became white. Yeah, this is, I really like this. Yeah. And then more just random packaging. Oh yeah, this is IKEA, all the things that I purchased for my new house. Yeah, I think that's, I don't know, I didn't want to, yeah, I bought so many things. I really like all these bars. even all these little words, it's, I don't know, it makes me like really, I think it's very aesthetically nice. I don't know how to explain this. It's just, I had fun making all this, collecting all this instead of trashing it. And I don't know what, I'm only like, how old am I? I'm close to 40, so if I were, I don't know what would happen to me if I'm like 50 or 60, because I can imagine that I'll be collecting even more trash and more trash journal probably. I don't know. Hopefully I'll still be making YouTube videos by then. And this is, yeah, more packaging, random packaging that I didn't want to throw it away. I really like this. And no, I think that's all for here. I kind of gave up. I didn't want to do anything anymore because if I were to fill up again, it's gonna be really thick. As right now it's already very thick, as you can see. So yeah, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I hope this video actually gave you some idea on what to do with your trash at home. Yeah, this is what you can try. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.